Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access the Help Center in Google Chrome step by step. The Help Center is a great resource for troubleshooting issues, learning new features, and finding answers to common Chrome questions. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser. From the drop-down menu, scroll down and hover over Help. A sub-menu will appear with several options. Click on Help Center if available, or select About Google Chrome to access support-related information. You can also visit the Chrome Help Center directly by opening a new tab and searching for Google Chrome Help Center. Once you're in the Help Center, you can browse articles, troubleshooting guides, and frequently asked questions. Use the search bar at the top of the page to find help for specific issues, such as syncing problems, browser settings, extensions, or privacy controls. You can open any article to view detailed instructions and solutions. The Help Center is regularly updated, making it a useful place to find the latest information about Chrome features and fixes. And that's it. You've successfully accessed the Help Center in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Chrome tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next one.